Hello leaders, hello everybody. All of you knows me and most of you don't know me. I am Wissam, founder of Supermatrix, a smart contract on BNB smart chain. Leaders, I am recording this video to tell you and to announce something very important about what we are gonna do. We will launch Supermatrix 3x on BUSD BEP token with the collaboration of my partner Bobby Joseph, so that we can work together to high and to let the community grow. As we all know, we succeed in Supermatrix BNB and now on BUSD. But why we choose Supermatrix BUSD? Because first, it is a stable coin, and second, we will make it affordable to all, that all can register only with 1.5 BUSD to open S3, S4 and XXX. It is a very huge project that we need your support on it. Be ready, let your team ready, and we will succeed with you. Thank you very much and stay tuned.